this duration and intensity, most likely pathological, and it could mean it's serious.
You avoided me